Dirty dog.
Less species, more fetching. You don't even get it, boy. Keep it up here. No, 2 hours.
What the hell?
Dog in her natural habitat.
Get it?
Wow. Go, girl.